Hi everyone, it's Rob here with another story for you to write. Lots of stories start with the main character, who we sometimes call the protagonist, living their normal, everyday life. Then something happens to jerk them out of that life and into the story. And then they're into the action, trying to reach their goal. Often there is an antagonist, who's the bad guy, someone who gets in their way and tries to stop them from reaching the goal. Today's activity is a good example of how you start a story in that classic way. And you're going to have to decide whether the person who we can't see at the start is an antagonist, maybe an enemy, or whether they're a friend who will help the protagonist reach their goal. So here's the story starter. You're in the schoolyard at break, and someone comes up behind you, puts their hands over your eyes and says, "Guess who?" Who is it? Describe them. What happens next?